HTTP status codes are just the internet talking to you like a security guard. Let me explain. Imagine every website you visit is like a building and you're trying to get into that building. The response you get, that is the status code. The first one is 200 and that means everything is fine. So you walk up to the building and then the guard says, yeah, you're good, come in. The next one is 201 and it means something was created. So you ask for a new badge and then they print a new one for you on the spot. So it just means something new was created. The next one is 204. Now this means there is no content. So you ask the guy the question and you just get a nod or no words at all. So that means the request worked, but it has nothing to return. The next one is 301 and this means something was moved permanently. So the guard says we do not operate here anymore, go to the new building. So that means there's been a permanent change. And the next one is 302 and this is a temporary redirect. So the guard tells you something like, oh, we're not here today, go to the next door for now. It just means there's been a temporary shift. The next one is 400 and 400 means a bad request. So you walk in like, yeah, I need something, and then the guy says, bro, what are you even saying? So that means your request is garbage. And the next one is 401 and 401 means you're unauthorized. So the guard asks you, where's your ID? And then you present your ID and then the guard says you are unauthenticated, you're not authorized. And then there's 403. 403 means forbidden. You show the guard your ID and then the guard says, yeah, but you're still not allowed in, right? So that's the access denied. The next one is 404 and it means not found. So you walk up to the guard and you're like, is John Doe here? And then the guard says there's no John Doe here, right? So that means it doesn't exist. And the final one here is 500 and then 500 means internal server error. So you walk into the building and there's chaos, maybe riots, so there's lights flickering, there's guards that are stressed, there's something broken, and then they just say come back later. So it just means that the server is messed up at that point in time. So if you got value out of this video, like and follow for more.